Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the jet transform of a given signal in MATLAB with and without using standard function. So first of all, you need to write certain commands. CLC, clear all, close all. These are basically the commands to clear the command window. Now there are two ways of finding the jet transform. The first way is that either you can use the direct function, or second way is that you can make use of the for loop. So we are going to find the jet transform using both ways. First of all, we will look into it using the for loop. So for that, first of all, you need to take a one discrete signal. Here for simplicity, we are taking x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the discrete values. We are going to find the jet transform of these values. So let's find the length of this signal. We can find the length using the length command, right? L equal to length x. So here L will be equivalent to 5. Now output signal will have same number of symbols as that are there in the input length. So here the length is 5, so it means that output signal will have 5 symbol in terms of Z. Now we need to initialize the output first. So here capital X will be the output. Starting value of that capital X is 0. Now let's look at the formula. This is the formula for Z transform. Upper one is for bilateral Z transform, two-sided, and the lower one is for unilateral Z transform. So we are doing it for unilateral Z transform, and our range is from n equal to 0 to L minus 1. So in order to find the Z transform, first of all we need to define the symbol Z, because the output will have a value in terms of Z. So for that we are having the command sim. So write sim Z equal to Z. So this way we have defined the Z value. Now after defining the Z value, we're gonna make use of the for loop. Now for loop will run from I equal to 0 to L minus 1 according as per our formula. Now x is equal to x plus. So we are going to add these value one after the other so that we can get the final expression. So x equal to x plus small x I plus 1 cross z की power minus I. Now if we closely look at it, we'll find that we are having I plus 1 instead of I. This is because the index of the signal in MATLAB start from 1 instead of 0. So that's why it is I plus 1. Now we are going to run and see the output on the command window. Before that, let's write a command disp displaying the output. Disp is a command to display anything on the command window. So displaying output disp x. Now we are going to run it and see the output on command window. Go to window, command window, and here this output. The function is 2 by z, 3z square by 2, 4 by z cube, and so on. Now we can also find the z transform of a signal using the function. For that we are having a standard z trans function in MATLAB. So we are going to make use of the same function. So let's write the code. We are going to take one example first. We are going to take an example of sin n. In case of the sin n, we are having n. N is the symbol. So we need to define that symbol n first. So we can define the symbol using sims command. So sims n f equal to sin n. This is the signal. And we are going to find the z transform of that signal. For that we will write z trans f. And we will store that value in R. Now with the help of disp command, we can display anything on the command window. So disp z transform using function. So after that we are going to write disp z. Now we are going to write disp r. Now we are going to run it and see the output on command window. Here you can see the output on the command window. Z transform using function. Z sin 1, z square minus 2 cos 1 into z plus 1. Now we are going to take a second example. We are going to take an example with two symbols. Here we are going to take an example of exponential m plus 1 n, e की power m plus n. So we need to define two symbols here. So in order to define the symbol, we need to make use of sims command. So write sims m comma n. So this way we have defined the symbol m and n. Now we're going to write the function f equal to exp m plus n. Now finally we are going to display it. So write this command. Before that we need to find the z transform. So for that write z trans f and store the value in double R. Disp is the command to display anything, so we're going to display double R. Now we're going to run the program. Before that, let's give a title to this display so that we can differentiate between the two. Disp transform of x p fun. So we're going to run it. So this is the output of the first function. Wait for some time, you will get the output of second and third function. Thanks for watching.